audio, so let me know if you hear a delay because I'm trying to fix it. Anyway, we got this rad package from Google with 2 new AIY kits. If you're not familiar, AIY is an amalgam of AI, artificial intelligence, and DIY, do-it-yourself. So of course the idea is that you build your own cardboard-based smart, intelligent thingies, and both of these are sort of home assistants. The tutorial project for this vision kit is a little camera. As you can see, it's got like a lens here and a piezo buzzer here and an LED here that tells you if it's on. It's called a privacy LED. I haven't built these yet. I've just like read through the build so that we can make sure it goes smoothly. But yeah, the demo project for this one is a camera that looks at you and then it can tell if you are smiling or frowning, and if you're like really emphatic about it, which let's face it, I probably will be, then it makes a little noise with the buzzer. I'm not sure what the noise is gonna be. We'll see. Maybe it's like a ding, or like maybe it's just like a, I don't know, maybe if you frown it goes a wah wah or something. We'll find out. So that's gonna be the video right after this. Again, I'm testing the audio, so I don't want to like jump in with the whole thing until we're sure that it's good. And then here we have the voice kit. This looks pretty familiar because they had their previous voice kit about maybe a year ago. Don't remember. Both of these come with a Raspberry Pi included. Unlike the previous kit, which used a Raspberry Pi 3, this one uses a Raspberry Pi 08 WH, and that means the Raspberry Pi Zero form factor. Plus, you've got the W means it's the wireless version, and then H means it has headers on it. So that's inside of here. So yeah, it'll have Wi-Fi and stuff. And then this one, I'm not sure if it has the same. Yeah, Raspberry Pi Zero WH. So on the back, they've got a bunch of info about what's inside. Oh, I might as well just open one of these right now. This one says it's version 2.0. Note that, you know, on the pages where they have the instructions, they tell you which version you're supposedly using, which is very important. Like when you're actually building the thing, there are slightly different instructions depending on your version. You have to have your own USB power supply, but other than that, they include basically everything here, plus a cool little hashtag for you to share stuff on. So I'm super excited to get this up and running. Let's actually open this box from the Vision Kit because I can't wait to get started. Come here. No comments yet about the audio, so I think we're good. How do I open this? I'm just wiggling it back and forth. Doesn't really want to. There we go. Cool. It says ages 14 plus, but I imagine there are a few sort of precocious youngsters out there. I think their main thing is like liability, because in the instructions they keep telling you again and again that like if you don't secure the cables properly, then you might set your house on fire. They say like over and over again every time you gotta plug something in. So you know, that's probably why they have this age limit on here. It looks pretty simple. It's folding cardboard. You know, you got to do it kind of precisely, but I was doing origami when I was a kid, so whatever. Yeah, let's open it up. I love the whole cardboard everything trend we've got going, you know, from the Nintendo Labo kits to, where's our knife here? What else is using cardboard? Google Cardboard, obviously. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. So here we have your camera. You've got a push button. There's some really cool stuff about this button that I want to point out to you, and I'll do that in the next video. Actually, let's just peek at it. So here, look, this is not a normal arcade button. It looks like a normal arcade button from the top, but on the bottom it's got a few different plugs and chips and stuff, which is pretty unusual. This is what a normal one looks like for a reference. This is from the SparkFun Spectacle kit, and you know, it's got the same sort of lock washer that you're gonna have in this kit. Same kind of button on top, but on the bottom it's just got this like little limit switch clicker dealy, and that's what actually creates the click. And then this little arm sort of holds that assembly in place. Let me see if I can pull this out for you. And it's also got a little LED in it that lights up sometimes. Ah. Come here. Sometimes they have little rotate and snap things going on, but you see how this switch has like these little holes in it to hold it in place, and then that, you know. So that's a normal one, and this guy has like a bunch of extra cool little doodads on it. Ooh. And that's where you're gonna plug in actually several parts of this. So you got different like lengths of flex cables and stuff. You're gonna plug in your LED, your piezo buzzer, and your camera all into this button here. And you got the Raspberry Pi and then other stuff. So we'll go into this in more depth in just a moment when I'm gonna assemble the whole thing, and after making sure that the audio is all pretty and nice. All right, stay tuned.